How to fix iMessage or FaceTime activation error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix is to check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can try switching between networks. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. The next fix is to set correct date and time. So, launch the settings application on your device and then tap on general and then on date on time. Now go ahead and enable the Set Automatically toggle button. Further, toggle iMessage and FaceTime off and on. Launch the settings application again and scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps and then on messages and turn off iMessage. Also, go ahead and navigate to FaceTime and then turn FaceTime off too. Now, restart your iPhone and then, once restarted, go to settings again and enable both these options again. This will refresh the activation request. The next fix is to sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. So, in settings again, tap on your name and then scroll down and you will see the sign out option. Sign out and restart your iPhone and sign back in and retry activating iMessage or FaceTime. Apple ID sync issues can block the activation sometimes. Also, make sure your phone number is set correctly. So in settings again, tap on the phone option and then tap on the My Number option. Make sure your number is listed correctly, and if not, edit it manually. The next fix is to check for carrier SMS fees. iMessage or FaceTime activation sends a hidden international SMS. Make sure you have balance or SMS capability. The last fix is to update your iPhone to its latest version. Go to settings and tap on general and then on soft update. Install any available updates, as bug fixes in updates often resolve activation errors. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iMessage or FaceTime activation error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.